3 morning juice recipes to boost your energy through the day. In order to function properly, our body needs particular attention throughout the day. No matter what your opinion is about the first morning meal, you should know that this meal has a great influence on our health. This is the reason why we should avoid caloric bombs, or to be more specific, foods full of fats and sugars. Instead of them, we should incorporate more healthy foods into our diet. Vitamins, minerals, enzymes and other nutrients have an essential role in the production of energy, and any deficiency of them can have a negative effect on our health. Fresh fruits and vegetables are considered as the healthiest food, recommended to be consumed in the morning. However, in order to be able to incorporate different fruit and vegetable in your diet, instead of consuming them fresh, you can juice them. According to the experts, these juices can boost the immune system and prevent the development of cancer. These natural juices are especially recommended for people who lack energy throughout the day. Instead of having a coffee in the morning, try to drink a natural juice as the first thing in the morning. So, today, we have 3 great recipes how to prepare a natural juice which will supply your body with the needed energy for the upcoming day. 1. Energetic Morning Balm. This natural juice is abundant with vitamin A, B, C, E and has the ability to boost your immune system. Needed ingredients: banana, apple, pear, fresh cherries or frozen. 2. Glass full of antioxidants. Forest fruits are known for their rich nutritional value. You can consume them fresh or use them to prepare a morning smoothie. The blueberries and the raspberries are among the most popular forest fruits, but the aronia is definitely the one which is the healthiest. Needed ingredients: fresh strawberries or frozen, banana, fresh blueberries of frozen, fresh aronia or frozen. 3. Eye-opening juice. The fresh fruit contains sugars which, unlike the artificial ones, are beneficial for our health and can supply the body with energy. Needed ingredients: banana, coconut water, fresh cherries or frozen, apricots. Instructions. The process of preparation is the same in all 3 juices. All you have to do is put all the ingredients in a juicer and make sure to mix well. Simple as that. Enjoy your completely natural and refreshing juice.